Good everybody, my name is Kingston Easy, and I bring you an opportunity to partake in the 47th project to be listed on the Binance Pool platform. This project I'm talking about is called the Portal, and it has been listed on the Binance Launch Pool portal, and it's giving you the opportunity to farm this token for the next 7 days. Then you can earn this token completely for free. Take note that for every project that has been listed on the Binance platform has undergone series of vetting processes to ensure safety. So it means that for all projects that are listed on the Binance platform has undergone series of vetting processes to ensure adequate and effective vetting process before it's been listed on the platform. You can go ahead and do your research about this project, but before then I'll be putting their social media platforms on the description of this video for more information and inquiries you need to know about the project. What is this Portal project all about? What are the functions and what are its use cases? So Portal is a cross-chain eco gaming system that connects all games on every chain using Portal's multi-chain token and gaming infrastructure. Portal is on a mission to onboard the first billion gamers into Web3 with their Layer 0 power gaming platform and coin, building the liquidity nexus for Web3 gaming, solving distribution for games. Let's get to my screen so I can show you how to get Portal on the Binance Launch Pool platform.
So hi guys, so before we get started, this is how the Binance platform look like. So for new users, you can go to your App Store or the Apple Store for Android and iPhone users to download the app. After that, you sign up and ensure you do your KYCs. For existing users, you can come to the open page. So to get access to the platform, first of all you hit your dashboard, you go to more services, you go down, that's where you get a launch pad. So when you hit on the launch pad, yes, this is our Binance launch pad having the Portal, which is our new token which is about to get on for the next 7 days. So we can see the farming period of 7 days, and we have about 5 billion worth of total reward for the Portal token. So you can see this is the FDUSD pool and also the BNB pool. So these are the two tokens that you can use to farm it for the next 7 days. So it's simple. You can go and acquire your FDUSD pool or the BNB so that you can stick for you to grab this Portal. So for this now, you can go down to the Portal for you to have more idea about the project information. This is it. This is the website, this is the white paper, and also this is the Portal research report. So you can see that we have an approximate of 6 days 11 hours remaining for this whole farming period to end. So thank you very much.